How should we view it, Randy? We've stopped talking about those pesky fundamentals with a lot of things we discuss now. We just, we watch momentum. We watch, I don't know what you'd call it at times, but what happened with silver in your view?
Well, I think, there's such strong fundamentals behind silver. And when you look at silver and how it's been valued relative to other precious metals right now, especially compared to gold, I think the opportunity to just get those fundamentals out there and people see it, and it does look like a great buying opportunity. And so I'm not surprised to see, the retail crowd come back in and push it. But it is a bigger market. It is a much broader, global commodity, as Mike said.
Randy, I've been hearing that, though, well, maybe not all the way back to 1979, but I've been hearing about the fundamentals for silver, and it's been a well-known sort of a thesis. And, a lot of people advertise, there's a lot of companies that they're involved in silver and gold, obviously, that advertise across the board on cable. What changed in the last 3 months? Actually, I guess it was up quite a bit over the last year or so as well from what would be, I guess, historically depressed levels.
Well, it's just that, as we see mobility, and if you sit and look at how the world is changing right now, especially in response to this pandemic around the world and how important mobility is, silver is a crucial metal when it comes to mobility. Anything that has batteries and you want to have power last longer and be more efficient and have more processing power, silver comes into play. It conducts electricity better than any other metal. It has lower resistivity than any other metal. It's also got great antibacterial applications, which in today's world is also very, very important. And so this year has sort of really highlighted the strength. And you're right, a year ago, silver was trading around $15 an ounce. And so I'm still very happy at the prices we're seeing today.
How much of this is the Fed and the notion that this is another store of value and something that it won't be debased like fiat currencies?
Well, and there's no doubt. I mean, obviously, we're focused on precious metals, and about 60% of our revenue comes from gold. So we're a little bit more gold focused. I'd love to have more silver in our portfolio, but it's just not available. There's just not a lot of good, strong silver projects out there or byproducts available for us to purchase. There's no doubt silver always lags gold. If you go back and look at any of the strong bull runs in precious metals, gold always starts first, silver lags, but then it outperforms. Silver has higher beta. It always has, it always will. There's some just fundamental reasons. So much of it is produced as a byproduct. Only 30% of silver comes from silver mines. 70% of silver actually comes as a byproduct from copper mines and from lead zinc mines and from gold mines. And that just means that those mines don't change when the price of silver climbs. And that just gives you supply side pressure and you get a higher response. And so what I've seen here, gold's been on a good, strong bull run now for about 4 or 5 years. Silver has really woken up in the last year and a half. And I just don't see this stopping. Obviously, this little Reddit short squeeze that we've seen, or Reddit instilled short squeeze we've seen, has sort of highlighted some of those fundamentals in silver. And I think it's probably welcome. I think us in the silver market have now welcomed back in some of those retail investors that we haven't seen for a while.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.